Welcome to Sim Code. Please subscribe to our channel and like our videos. In this video, we will learn about the collections module in Python offers alternatives to the built-in types, giving you more power and flexibility in how you work with data structures. It includes specialized container data types like namedtuple, deque, counter, OrderedDict, defaultdict, and ChainMap. Each one provides unique features that can simplify your code and make it more efficient. Here is a quick rundown of the key types in the collections module. Namedtuple. A namedtuple is like a regular tuple, but with named fields. This makes it easier to work with data because you can access the elements by name rather than by index. Deque. A deque, double-ended queue, is a list-like container that allows you to append and pop elements from both ends, making it ideal for queue operations or situations where you need fast insertions/removals at both ends. Counter. A counter is a subclass of dict specifically designed to count hashable objects. It provides a simple way to count occurrences of elements, making it useful for frequency analysis or tallying data. OrderedDict. An OrderedDict is a dictionary that remembers the order in which items were added. While regular dictionaries don't guarantee order in versions of Python before 3.7, OrderedDict maintains insertion order. DefaultDict. A defaultdict is a dictionary that provides a default value for non-existent keys, avoiding key error exceptions. You can specify the default value type when you create the dictionary. ChainMap. A ChainMap groups multiple dictionaries or mappings together into a single view, so you can search through them as if they were one. We will write a code example that demonstrates how these different container types can be used. Namedtuple. Creating a simple data structure for a point with named fields. Accessing named fields. Output. Point coordinates x equals 10, y equals 20. Deque. A double-ended queue. Adds 4 to the right. Adds 0 to the left. Removes from the right. Removes from the left. Output. Deque after modifications. Deque 1, 2. Counter. Counting occurrences of items in a list. Output. Item counts. OrderedDict. Maintaining the order of insertion. OrderedDict remembers the insertion order. Output. DefaultDict, automatically providing default values. Default value is an integer, which defaults to 0. No key error, Apple starts with a default value of 0. Output. ChainMap, combining multiple dictionaries. Looks through dict1 first, then dict2. Accessing values, note dict1 overrides dict2 for key B. Now run our code. To keep on learning, please subscribe to a Sim Code and keep supporting, and thank you for watching.